Jai Swaminarayan. This is Sangeeta Singh, your art and craft teacher. So students, today we'll talk about our favorite flower. Okay. So can anybody tell? So okay, I'll tell my favorite. So my favorite are roses. Red roses are my favorite flower. See, even in my flower vase, I have the red rose. Okay. So there are many fascinating facts about roses. So I'll share a few with you. Okay, so first is we can eat roses. Gulkand खाते हैं ना, so that is of rose only. So we can eat rose. Okay, and second, the real roses are used to make perfumes. And US में in US rose is the national flower. Okay, and each different color, each rose of different color has its different meaning. So these are the few things that are about the rose. And one last thing, that rose is the one of the oldest flowers. Okay, सभी का फेवरेट होता है. आई एम श्योर कि आपका भी रोज ही फेवरेट होगा. So today in my video I am going to show you how to make different roses. Okay, not different roses, basically I can say I'll show you how to make rose in different ways. Okay, so we'll start. So we're going to make different kinds of roses. Okay, so let's start. Here I'll show you 4-5 kinds of roses. Let's start. First, just follow what I do. Okay, I'll show you the easy way to make rose. These are the easy methods. You can easily make rose by following these. Okay, one heart shape, you can double it. Here as well. Let me take the screenshot first. See, I'll drag it bit, yes, like this. Double it. Now from here, yes, the same way here as well. Your rose is almost complete. Now you can make either leaves or yes, leaves and stem you can make. I'll send you the photo along with the video. If you want, you can make one leaf here. Yes, so our first rose is done. I hope you feel it easy, right? It's easy to do. Now comes to the second one. Now here we'll do the second one will also be similar.
Okay. See, I'm doing
this,
with my sketch
with
pen
the,
now, so you won't
more
be able to. I
detailing.
mean, I won't be
Okay.
able to get those fine lines.
This one I'll
But
show
I
you.
hope you'll
more
be able
detailed.
to get it.
First, you need to make one circle.
जैसे leaves
The
होता
same
है ना
way we
rose
made
का,
the body,
इस तरीके
we
से
need
we
to do
need to
here as
give
well.
them detailing. Okay, I will not be able to
This
erase the
looks
extra
like
lines.
pot more, right? One small circle.
So while detailing, like after detailing, you have to erase the extra lines. Okay. To
Now
make
from
look
here,
my rose more detailed, I have made the
you need to
shape
join the
of
line
the
like
leaf.
this,
Okay,
and
which I didn't do
similarly
in my
from here
first rose.
we need to do.
Here, if you want, you can add
Yes,
leaves. And as you know how we make
one
the
line,
rose leaves,
small line
the same way you need to make.
here.
Yes, easy, right? So this is how 2 rows are done.
Similarly, we made the leaf in the previous rows. We'll make here as well.
Now comes to the
This
third
time will be
one.
more detailed,
This will be the another way.
and one more leaf.
You will get the perfect rose if you will follow the steps. Okay, and yes, I'll be sending you the pictures along with the video. And yes, I won't convert it in PDF, because in PDF the color shade gets different. You won't get the actual color, so I won't convert it in PDF. I'll directly send the photo. So this way you need to make the flower petals. You all must have seen the rose, right? How the petals are. So you need to make like that only. Okay, if you want to make your flower bigger, you can add more leaves, but I'll make this much only, and I'll add my leaves here.
Yes, done. Comes to fourth. The fourth will be quite similar to third one. Okay, but this one I'll show you with the heart shape. Okay, I'll use more of heart shape in this. See, here I made one heart. Now one more, following the same. Okay, now one more petal. And the last one. Yes, now you can make stem and leaves if you want. So I made this stem here and the leaves. So four are done. I'll show you one more, fifth one. That will be the easiest one. You can make this also.
So as I'm showing you different roses, so I thought ki I should show you this also. Bud. Okay. The bud one. You can easily make it. So it's done. Easy, right? I have shown you 5 kinds of roses, like how you can make rose in different ways. Now we will color them. I'll show you how to.
Drawing is done. Now I'll show you how to color these. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do shading with pencil colors. Okay, as you can see, I have pencil colors here and I use Faber-Castell colors. Okay, Faber-Castell के pencil colors I use, as you can see this. So I suggest when you do, like when you go to buy pencil color, buy Faber-Castell. Okay, Faber-Castell में बहुत अच्छा शेडिंग होता है. They give the glossy effect also. I'll show you now, so you'll get to know how effective they are. So that's why I suggest that you buy Faber-Castell only. Okay, so see, we have different roses here. Okay, so for the shading, as I always say in the crayons, ठीक है, crayons में I always say कि take 2 or 3 shades. Okay, so that we'll be able to do the shading. ठीक है, तो similarly here also we have to take at least 2 or 3. Okay, minimum 2 shades तो लेना ही है, or we can take 3 shades. So I'll take 3 shades here and we'll show you with that. So choose any dark, medium and light. As I have these 3 shades here, this is red, orange and yellow. So the red is the darker, medium, orange and yellow is the light one. ठीक है. Now what you have to do, you have to do outline with your dark color. Okay, so here dark color is red. So as I said, outline we have to do with dark. So see here, you see outline will be thick. I'll do the thick outline here. जो भी हमारे edges हैं उस पे you have to do thick outline. Okay, and you have to give more pressure to get the darker shape. You will have to put pressure on your pencil. Okay. Similarly, here you have to do. Yes. So the outlining of my rose is done. This I did with my dark color, that is red. Now what you have to do, you have to take your light color. Okay, here I have my yellow light. So अब you have to fill all the space with this color only. ठीक है? And we have different directions to color. Either sleeping way में कर रहे हो तो you have to complete it in sleeping way. Slant में कर रहे हो तो slant में, standing में कर रहे हो तो standing में. The thing is, whatever the direction you going to start with, you have to finish it in the same direction only, so that it does not look like that you have scribbled it. Okay, so I am doing in sleeping way na. So see what you have to do. As you can see, I am holding my color in slant, like slant है ना, एकदम ऐसा नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am doing it in slant. और जो आप को कलर इसमें यू कलरिंग यू फिलिंग द कलर इनसाइड शुड बी लाइट. ओके, लाइट इन द सेंस लाइक आई एम डूइंग विद येलो ना, तो आई एम फिलिंग इट लाइटली. आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट डार्क. ओके, यू हैव टू फिल इट लाइट. डोंट मेक इट डार्क, जस्ट डू इट लाइटली. And yes, make sure that there are no white spaces in it. Okay, it is completely colored. Yes, so here the two steps are done, the outline with dark color and filling inside light color. So two steps are done. Now I come to my third step. Okay, third step में क्या करना है, we have to take our medium color, that is orange. Here we have medium color orange. Now see here, shading we have to do. So shading में what you have to do, dark में dark, you have to put pressure to get darker, then lower the pressure to get medium shade, then lower the pressure to get the lighter shade. Okay, here as you saw, I did dark, medium and light. So here also we have to do the same, dark, medium and light. Now how to do that? We'll go along with the edges. And what we have to do, we have to cover almost 75% of the space. जहाँ पे भी आप कर रहे हो उसको 75% you have to cover, right? Okay, so dark, medium and light. Fine. Here as well, dark, medium and light. I'm not covering it full, I'm just doing almost 75%. Dark, medium and light. Dark, medium and light. Yes, looks nice, no? Now here else as well, dark, थोड़ा सा space है तो don't do much, bit you can do. This much is fine. खेल लो. See, we did यहाँ पे भी I'll cover almost. So what you have to do, you have to go along with the shape. So the shape is like that. go this way. Dark, medium, and yes, light. See, you can't see much different between those. So this is how you have to do shading. I'll do similarly here. Dark, medium, and light. Yes, done. So this is how you gonna color with your pencils. And this shading thing, I'll tell you, you will get only with Faber-Castell colors, I said. So get a set of Faber-Castell colors, okay, and do this. You can make very beautiful pictures with these colors. So similarly for the leaves, because leaves are very small, so you don't take 3 colors here, you can take only 2. So either you take dark green, light green, or you can do dark green with yellow. So both will work. So okay, fine, I'll take light green here. I have done outline with dark green. Here lightly we have to fill. Okay. So as we took only 2 colors na यहाँ पे, so with the dark color itself, what you can do bit shading here. And if you don't do that also is fine, because this is a very small space to do. Okay, fine. So I hope you liked it. Yes. So for this I'll show abhi. We'll take some different shade. Okay, so I have taken dark, medium and light. थोड़ा different किया है मैंने. I have taken this dark color, I have maroon shade. This is the red and orange I'm taking. So similarly I'm going to do this outline with the dark color. So this color looks nice, no? Yes. We see dark color ke roses, they give black shade also. So what a shade is this? This looks really nice. Okay. Okay, outlining with the dark color. Now I have here light color, orange as in light color. So I'll fill with orange, and that too really lightly. As I said previously, you have to color it lightly. The same way I'll fill it lightly, not dark. Okay, if you will do dark, so your color won't be visible. Okay, that's why I suggest that you do it very lightly. Hold it slant and fill it. Yes, this is done. So third step में you have to take your medium color. Here I have medium color में red. Okay, I'm using red color as medium color here. So we'll do the shading with that. Similarly dark, medium and light. That gives the realistic effect. As you can see, the flowers look really alive, right? Make sure that you do dark, medium and light shade. Okay. Done. I hope you like it. Okay. Now here I did not show you the leaves properly. Okay. Here, because I have big leaves, so I'll show you how to do color in your leaves now. Here I'm taking dark, medium, medium and light. Okay. You can take any shades of green जो भी आपके पास है. There is one another dark green also, but I'm taking this sea green. So it's up to you which shade you like. I always set you free to use your shades. And yes, when you will do these flowers, yes, you can do your favorite shades. कोई भी color you can use. You can make your roses of different flowers. Different colors. Okay, whichever color you want. Purple, pink you want, you can. Maroon wala you want to make, you can make maroon. Any other shade if you like, you can do that also. Okay. So now 2 steps are done. Third one, the shading with your medium color. Just see the texture. You'll be able to see the dark, medium and light. Right? Yes. So see, you have one way to do this. This is the one way. And here I'll show you another way. See, you can do यहाँ से dark, medium and light, dark, medium and light, or else dark, medium and light, dark, medium and light. Okay. So I'm showing you dark, medium and light from here, and from here dark, medium and light. Okay. See, when I do this, so this gives a 3D effect, right? When I give shading from here, this gives the 3D effect. So this is how you have to color all your roses. You can use your different shades and color them. Oh, actually I can't find all my shades right now, so I have limited shades. So I'll show you one different one, this rose bud wala. So this is just for the example that yes, you can use this color as well. Okay, you can pair this color with pink color. Okay, pink you can use with this, but I don't have pink right now, so I'll use orange and red with this. So I'm going to fill it with orange. Either you can do shading with this or with red. Okay, fine. So I will do this with only. Yes, one color is fine for this. Okay, because really small space. So I'm gonna fill everything with my dark green color. So students, I hope you like the roses, and you will do them the same way I have made you to do. Okay, do practice of it, and in the next class I would like to see you all. Okay, just do it nicely and show me in the next class. Okay, till then students, take care. Bye bye. Good day. Jai Swaminarayan.